Hello, we are here in Bay City offices in Mountain View, California. And we are going to go in. This is our designer studio. A number of folks are supposed to be here, but they are in the field today, catching up with projects and so forth. But let's walk in and take a look at it. When we work with these projects, Bay City is a design and build firm. And what we did at Bay City was to make sure that we have the ability to do a lot more designs. As you can see, all of our designers, some of the architects and project managers are in the field. We saw this as a need. There has to be a better way that we can create site plans and project plans and data and be able to use that for all of our clients. So that's how InQI became a product. So we designed InQI, and today we have released the InQI Designer Edition. It is on our website. Our YouTube channel is full of content. Go to our YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe for the latest and the greatest. With InQI, you can design a site plan in seconds. You can design illustrations in seconds. You can get all the data exported into Vectorworks in AutoCAD and everything else. Stay tuned. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on YouTube, and there will be a whole lot more information going to be presented to you in a short period of time. Remember, InQI is free of charge. You get 5 credits. We don't ask for any credit cards. And if you start working InQI in the near future, there's an opportunity that you could be an investor into InQI company as an AI startup. Stay tuned. There's more to come. Thank you.